To fix this problem, just pull up your notification bar, and when you get to your notification, just tap on this settings below over here. So just tap on it, and you are going to get to your settings. When you get to your settings, tap on apps and notification. Now tap on the see your apps. Wait for it to load. So after loading, you're going to see all your apps listed alphabetical. So now tap on this search bar to search for your app. So as you can see, this is it. You can also just scroll to search for your app, and as you can see, this is it. So tap on it when you find it. Tap on for stop, then you tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache, then you tap on a clear cache. Go back. Then now what you have to do is to tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and make sure the background data is toggled on. Tap on the permissions and make sure the permission is allowed. So after allowing every permission, tap on notification and make sure the show notification is allowed. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu, scroll and try to search for Play Store. Tap on the Play Store and search in for COC or Clash of Clans. When it appears like this, just tap on it to open it. Now tap on update over here to update the app. After updating the app, what you have to do is to tap on the power button for some while, and this is going to pop up. What you have to do is to tap on the restart, then you tap on OK. When you don't have restart and you can see reboot, just tap on it, it's all the same. If you can't find reboot and restart, just tap on the power button to off your phone and turn it on again, and the problem is going to be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.